Makakapag-ayos pre, hindi pa kasi siya
Oo nga, tignan mo yung buhok ko.
Puro ka buhok pre. Bagay mo naman.
Tignan mo yung shades mo. Prada.
First ka lang yun. Ang okay.
Hi guys.
Dami mga good viewers na. Lakas mo talaga.
Hindi ko nga. Panoorin nyo guys, paano mag-skincare si Chayon Woo.
Tapos na.
Tapos na, Chayon Woo.
Yun na yun, tapos na.
Oo, nasa Manila. Hi Jeffy.
Wala tayo po ano, pre.
Yan, pinapanood nga kita mag-skincare eh.
Kaya ako po dito. Ako mo daw.
Robin.
Okay, point out daw yung ceiling.
Ah! Yung?
Point out mo daw yung ceiling view.
Anong point out?
Turo.
Bakit?
Pag tinuro mo, tataas yung ano mo. Yung shirt. Ayan.
Robin Henso.
You take the man.
Kaya kasi nito pa rin, no?
Oo, pre, mong 90-60.
Magaling na, mag-makeup ka na. Panoorin nyo mag-makeup si Chayon Woo.
Tsaka yun mo makeup tutorial.
Bagay sa'yo, bunot hairstyle.
O diba? Pag ako mukanta ka, pre, no?
Talaga lang, ha? Patanong nga. Consider this cheating mo yung pagiging unfaithful.
Malamang.
Oo. Chayon, no? Chayon mo daw, pre.
Tama naman, guys.
Wala akong charger. Yung malapit sa MOA dyan, sabihan niyo ako, bigyan niyo akong charger. Sige na, please.
Sana naman, oh. Magpadala kayo ng charger, oh.
Ayan na si Chayon mo. Ano yung pre-primer?
Oo, pre, para maganda yung lapat ng makeup sa mukha.
Gusto ko mag-makeup, pre. Aray. Huwag mo akong taga-awak mo ng buhok, pre. Mali mo, gawan nila tayo ng series. Sali tayo ni Esner.
Esnir, sabi mo kami, oh. Pre, okay na, pre.
Chat ko siya, no? Babay na nga, ganyan daw yung gupit ko.
Hi, Ma'am Jen.
Keep the spine on. It doesn't matter how deep you get in. As long as you feel stretched, the blood is flowing, the oxygen is flowing, you're creating
Hi, Ma'am Jen.
an environment for energy.
Hi, guys.
to your body. Just so
Hi, Allen Abay, Emil Gonzalez, Gab.
nose up, and exhale to release. Stretching over right back.
Nubo ako, guys.
Pre, tama yung tanong ko, no? Ganda po. Ganda, oh.
Sinasabi ko sa utak ko, sinasabi ko sa camera na with voice ko po talaga with my lips.
O, tama. Tapos ito yung video.
Oh, ano, example ko.
Pwede mo naman i-dub yun, pre.
Hi, Ma'am Jen. Oh, diba? Talino.
Hi, Lloyd.
Hi, baby ko daw. Oh. Hello, exclusive mo na. Mag-yoga po kami. Kasi kung fu fighting. Sasayawan namin kayo guys. Di ba ano pre? Kasi pag ika'y kapilingan. Hi, Nay. Hi, Crystal. Yes po, nasi QC.
Yay!
Turuan po kayo ni Robin mag-yoga. Bini Robin.
Tol, pangita ko sa layo.
Ay! Shit!
Bilad.
Dinilat, hindi bilat. Kating-kating.
Bro, wait lang. Kukul namin si Keegan.
Bye guys.
Roll the shoulder heads back. Lengthen the back. Keep the tailbone rubbing down on the ribs. Exhale, hinge from the hip creases. Come forward with that nice long spine. Keep the shoulder heads lifted. See if you can move that body on the elbows there too. Pull the right foot back. Keep pressing into the boot toe and move up the right foot. Firmly back to shoulder. Back here. And now start to release the hands toward the floor. You can put on your blocks too. Lengthen on your inhale. Hold it and give it a deep breath. You have the flexibility. You can turn your fingertips toward the back of your hands. Pull down to stretch your spine. Bring your right foot back as you do. Keep squeezing the back. Put your belly button here.
Good luck.
Move the outer hips to forward on the side.
Hi.
Walk the hands forward and down to the block.
Yo, Robin House.
Up your right foot to your left hand onto that block.
Hi.
Pull your right foot back with your right hand and lengthen your spine. Shifting your shoulder hips sideways. And exhale. Twist forward. Turn it under stage and stretching your right back. Take the block on the other side.
Titiktok muna ako. Bye-bye.
And then reach yourself.